Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today. And these 3 clues are Samoan words.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Okay, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai. It's an bag, an ato.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's an elephant, an elefane.
Clue tuatoru, our final clue is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a cup, an ipu. We have all 3 clues. We have an ato, a bag. We have an elefane, an elephant. And we have an ipu, a cup.
I know what we're going to sing. We're going to sing the Samoan alphabet song.
We are going to do the Samoan alphabet song. We have 2 of our friends coming to join us, and the 3 letters, the 3 first letters are going to be A, E and E. So make sure you look out for these 3 Samoan words in the song.
Okay, I'm going to count to toru and let's go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Tasi, sau.
Hey,
Rua, sau.
hey, hey,
Talu, sau.
hey, hey, ah. A, E, I, O, U. Whangala mono. Isa, tivi, he karo. Ole pi whaitau a Samoa. These are the letters of Samoa. A is for ato. E is for elefante. I is for ipu. O is for ofu. U is for wati. Va is for fango. Nga is for ngata. And la is for la'au. These are the letters of Samoa. Ole pi whaitau a Samoa. Mo is for more. Nu is for new. P is for fusi. Sa is for se'evai. T is for ta'avale. B is for va'a. He is for helicopter. Ka is for kapisi. Ro is for rapiti. Ole pi whaitau a Samoa. Manaya lenga ngana wha Samoa. A, E, I, O, U. Whangala monu. Isa, tivi, he karo. Ole pi whaitau a Samoa. These are the letters of Samoa. Ole pi whaitau
Whaitau.
a Samoa.
Ole pi whaitau a Samoa.
A, E, I, O, U.
That was so cute. I love learning the different letters of the Samoan alphabet.
Which letter was your favourite to do?
Oh, that's a good one. I like that one.
Nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 words that we learnt at the beginning. They were Samoan words, remember? Here's the first one. Starts with the sound A. Ato. Bag.
Our second one starts with the sound E, ele, elefante, elephant.
And our last word starts with the sound E. E. Ipu. Cup. Well done. Hey, we hope you enjoyed learning some Samoan this week. How about we go and sing the goodbye song together?
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes! Choo!